Look at here.
What are you doing there, Wanda?
Look at here. Look at here.
Uh-oh, your little cherry bells.
Lippy, I can grow a radish. And look at here. I know what I'm having for lunch. You see all this pretty
Look
lettuce?
at that.
Look at this. I can grow
Get up here.
radishes.
Those are nice.
Awesome.
Are they more?
I don't know. Not yet. I don't see that one over there, maybe.
Yeah, you got one on the other side.
There may be some in that other bed.
I know you got one on the outside edge over there. Looks like it might be on the outside of the metal.
There's one right there.
Yeah, you don't want to let them get very big because if you do,
they're not good.
Look at that.
Look.
Look at that.
There's some more little ones. Let's see what the...
Let's check out one of these other beds.
Now, I think this is the...
That may be those
French breakfast.
Yeah, French breakfast.
They're not ready yet, but look at there. A start.
Yeah, they're almost there.
They're a start. So
Yeah, those are all, I'm looking at them from up here.
they're little.
There's one right here. Oh, it's probably still little. Ah, look at
Ain't
that.
quite as long as it should be, but they're getting there.
They're
so
getting there. Okay, what about the other bed?
I can grow radishes.
Let's check out this one.
That one's a little funky. It's got a odd shape to it.
Them lettuces. Oh my gosh, look at them
Aren't
things.
they pretty?
Look at that. Look
These
at that
just
lettuce.
are not ready yet.
Look at that romaine.
It's pretty up in there, but it ain't got
That rain. What about
rain.
that one right there? Is there something on that one? Or is that just a...
Which one?
That one right there. This one right here, baby. Right here.
This one? No, not yet. It's just pretty green.
It's pretty and tall. I figured it just would have a root on it, but...
I need some red for my salad.
Oh yeah, you need to add a little bit in there. There you go. Get you some of that romaine.
I got some green inside. So
All
now,
right.
got some red and some green and some radishes and some onions. I see a salad coming on.
I see a pretty salad coming on. And look at the cucumbers, guys. These things,
Oh,
well, they have taken off. They're coming up the sides of the trellis. We have one blooming. I saw a bloom somewhere. Little, where are we at here?
right here.
Right there.
Look at the
up on it.
cucumbers here and here.
Look at the little cukes coming on right
All
there.
under there.
Yeah.
I'm excited. This one over here, look how tall it's getting.
That one's done tall as you are.
It is.
Look at that. And here we go again with this. Look at this lettuce. Got
price
pine
my
straw.
lettuce.
Look at that.
It's got little pine stuff all in it, but
Look at that. That is so pretty. That one over there's,
I've been
big.
eating off of it.
I mean, just
This
look
one I
at 'em.
hadn't took a lot off of, and this one, but that one and one of those over there I've been eating off
We got
of.
more than we can eat, really.
There's a
Oh,
cucumber.
there's a cucumber. Two of them.
You got to get them up.
I got to get them up. Okay. Woo! Bunch of crybabies.
They already been fed.
Yeah, they done been fed.
They won't be fed
I
again.
got to water them. They done drunk half of that 100 gallons of water I put in there yesterday. All right. Woo!
Some of these some good size onions.
Some of them's huge.
And that water yesterday
that
and
rain, boy, it jumped them, I'm going to tell you. And some of these, like this one, see, this one's broke over. It's just laying inside here. Just got to come out. This one's broke over. I'm telling you, we got an early harvest this year, babe.
that's all right.
Early harvest. Look at that. Look at that.
I like having onions.
Man,
I'm gonna be roasting some onions for supper.
look at that. That right there. Let me come up. That
A
one.
whole bunch of them now is getting ready.
That one. Now, some of them jokers I'm talking about, they are huge.
That one looks like it is laying over.
You know, this, you're talking about getting heavy now. This one,
Yeah.
it's over. Yeah.
It ain't
It was
gonna
propped
do
up on that other one.
no more.
Oh, look at this.
Look at that big one. Whoo! That is huge.
That joker's huge right there now. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Is that one broke or is it just...
I think so.
I don't know, I'm gonna leave it. This one is right here. I can tell the way it's propped up in them other ones.
That's what, about 10 or 12 so far?
I don't even know, I ain't counted them yet. Can you tell?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 10.
At least 10 of them.
That's pretty cool.
And we done pulled probably that many.
And we got enough rain.
Yeah, we got 1 inch. Oh, it broke my tomato over right there.
Yeah, one of them it did. You got to get it staked.
It's done curled, started turning back up.
And the corn and the grass.
Yeah, the grass is taking it. I knew it was going to. I told you. I figured it probably would.
Now the corn is up in most of the spaces, but you still got some skips.
Yeah, they still skips in it everywhere.
So if it dries up this week, you got to plow, right?
I'll have to put the buzzard wings on and plow it, yes.
But that rain helped everything.
Everything, I mean. Whew, all right. We up here at the prepper shack. I set us up a little rack system here to throw these onions over on.
Now this is your grandpa's table.
Yep.
And this is an old gate.
An old gate.
And some brick.
Yeah, it's got where air can pass underneath it. So many people don't think about that when they're drying their onions.
Didn't want to cooperate.
They just didn't want to cooperate with me. I mean, you can actually come back and what you do is you lay them around, you can weave them. Like that right there. It's just so they're not piled on top of one another.
Right now we got enough space to just
we have enough space.
lay them out.
And if you want to, like right now, you could take, if you wanted to take the time, you could easily just take, like, you know, if you take your onions like this one right here, you could take and go ahead and you could go ahead and cut the roots off. You know, if you wanted to, it's not necessary because you're gonna cut them off before you put them up anyway. But you could sit and do that because they're not.
What about cutting the greens? Most people.
No, leave the greens on. Do not cut the greens off. And they need to lay here till the greens completely dry up and turn brown. And you need them where the weather cannot get to them. We're up under the roof of the prepper shack here. Which makes it, now I'm just kind of doing a little demonstration there to show you can do that. It's not necessary, but if you want to, you can do that. In order for the onion to cure properly and be able to store, you've got to let these dry on them naturally. And you want it preferably where these are hanging down if you can. That's why we start around the outside edges, and as we pull them, if any of these begin to dry, like these have become brown, we'll move them to the inside because once they.
You can see this is one of the first ones we pulled.
Yeah.
See how it's already dry?
Listen here. It's got that papery sound like you get in the grocery store when you buy your onions.
Now go fill them others on the other side.
Oh, they're not like that. They're still damp and
damp and wet.
Wet feeling. You don't hear that.
You don't hear the papery stuff. You hear dampness.
And don't peel that off. That's your protective layer on that. Don't peel it off. But that's just what we're going to be doing. we don't have an overabundance of onions this year. I think we've only got maybe 100 at the most.
If all of them made.
If all of them make, we might end up with 100. That's not a lot of onions. I know it sounds like a lot of onions, but it's really not. I mean,
If you eat onions, that's 2 a week.
that's just 2 onions a week. That's not.
And that's probably more than most people eat anyways, I guess. So it is a
Use
lot.
it in all your dishes. You know, I mean.
That is a lot. That would get us through if we only just used a handful of onion in a few dishes a week.
But they have so many benefits to them.
We like roasted onions.
We love our roasted onions. I mean, oh my gosh, I love. Now a lot of people, I can't eat the flour unless we figure out another way to come up with it. But a lot of people like blooming onions.
The cornflower would be awesome
The
in that.
cornflower might work in a blooming onion.
But I don't like to fry, and it takes a lot to fry.
It takes a lot of our lard.
And I don't want to do
We don't
that.
want to waste our lard up doing something.
I've tried them in the oven. I've tried them in the air fryer. They're just not. It's just not the same.
Yeah, we don't do the vegetable oils and the seed oils and all that stuff because they're not healthy for the human body. We stick mainly to our lard and our olive oil. We definitely use a good bit of olive oil. Oh my goodness.
Look what we have.
Look, you can see them from a long way off out there. So one of the birds ain't come and got them.
These are starting to perk up, some of them.
Yep, some of them are. Oh, that ain't quite ready.
So we got a few that might be.
Yeah.
I've got a few.
That little pineapple. I have got to get that thing up potted. Look at that.
Let's start.
I love the look of the pineapple. They're so pretty.
We've got to get all these others out of here.
Yeah, we do.
And we're not going to be really keeping a lot in this little greenhouse over summer because it'll get too hot.
It gets too hot. Yeah.
And look at this. My lavender's actually blooming.
Oh, look at that. It is. And
I
look
bought
at the thyme.
Lavender thyme. There's one of your deals I put in there.
We need to put these up. Well.
And then I put some peppers and some spinach in here and some mint.
These other deals we have in here. Dill goes with cucumber. We need to put them in your bed.
I got a deal right here. I put back here, and then I put flowers. We're just going to see what flowers. I took old flowers, or the old seeds, and put in most of these green stalks to see what we get and if anything makes it. And then these tomatoes, these we bought. These are celebrity.
Yeah, those are the
Look at this.
Celebrities.
Lots of blooms. So,
Yeah, they're a determinate celebrity.
yes. So we're hoping they'll do.
I think they will. Well, I see a little one right here. One up in
Ooh.
there.
Hiding.
You got. I mean, it's like hunting Easter eggs. You gotta.
Down low, but I don't think it's ready.
Ooh, that's a big old one. It ain't ready.
It ain't
yet.
ready.
Is there any more around the back?
Probably not.
I don't see any around here.
So we got, what, 2 or 3 apiece?
Yeah, we got 2 or 3 apiece there, which is okay.
Now we've got some cauliflower that we're going to harvest a couple of cauliflower out of here for lunch today.
The bugs are getting so bad that I might have to give these to you. The bugs are just getting so bad now that it's warming up a little bit. We can't let them get big like we were.
Just got to go ahead and take them.
We just got to take them. Yeah.
2 small ones make a good meal.
Oh yeah, that's fine for me. You look at that. I mean, it's not actually that little. It's like 4.5, maybe 5 inches.
Yeah. There was another one over here.
There was another one. Remember where it was at?
Right, that one.
Right here.
All right, lay
All
that.
right, that'll empty my bed out.
And you can plant
I
beans.
can plant my butter beans.
And that wind's blowing. And I know we look like it's really, really cold, but it's in the 60s right now.
No, it's still in the 50s.
In the 50s? Okay.
And the wind's
It ain't
blowing.
made it to
It
60
ain't made
yet.
it to 60 yet.
That's another good little head. So
Yeah,
you got
both of
one, I
those.
got one.
Both of those will give us something to eat today. And then I would have this bed now where I can plant my...
You've got a grape come up.
I do. Them things is
You're
come
going to
up.
have to put them in a pot and see if they...
They've come up everywhere.